everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, officially partnering with Blue Compass. Today we are doing the world debut of the 312 RK Alliance Paradigm, and here's my 3 favorite features of Alliance. In the TCS Touring Coil Suspension from Curt makes this the best towability in a fifth wheel in the RV industry without spending that additional money for independent suspension. These come standard on every Paradigm. Every Alliance Paradigm is going to give you the biggest storage in the fifth wheel space. What I love about it is 101 inches wide, and you get all of this accessible storage space. On top of that, you have these 3 switches right here. So you can stand on the outside and actually control your slide outs and your awnings. So if you're parked really close to a neighbor or next to a big oak tree, you're not gonna damage your RV because you can control it right from the outside, not from the inside. So inside the Alliance Paradigm, you're gonna see this is an absolute beautiful interior. This is a new floor plan 312 RK, which is a rear kitchen. Check out the nice L-shaped sectionals. What makes it so light and bright and spacious in here is the big atrium windows. You have solid surface countertops, soft closed drawers, just a fantastic floor plan and an incredibly spacious bathroom. The sinks are super spacious. Of course, you're gonna have one of the biggest showers in the RV industry. In every Alliance, it's a prime pooping position. So hopefully you guys can see why I personally own an Alliance and why the Alliance Paradigm is one of my favorite fifth wheels in the RV industry. We sell Alliances nationwide throughout Blue Compass. So go to our website, bluecompassrv.com, and find the closest Alliance dealership to you.
Dreaming of the open road? We've got RV tours, must-know tips, and epic destinations waiting for you. Subscribe to Blue Compass RV and let the adventure begin.